Look how another package came in. Yeah, nice handle. Spin on you like those other oones with underground electrical wires or cables. Got some plugs with this baby. You could throw that in your bag too. Right here, a 2x7" blade and 11 point right side serration and right side blade rib, no more bending, and my favorite part. I've got a couple of those gator ones and some other ones that handle on them, and they start rotating and they get wet. Really nice feel. I'm sure I'm going to be happy. It's probably one of my best. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.